Ever pondered what might happen if that morning cup of tea or coffee was replaced with a teaspoon of ghee? Astonishing, isn't it? Well, the results could be more breathtaking than you imagine. Ghee, also known as clarified butter, is a staple in traditional Indian cooking and Ayurvedic medicine. But don't be mistaken, this golden elixir is not just about rich, nutty flavor. It packs an impressive array of health benefits too. First on our list is its potential to aid in weight loss. Yes, you heard it right. Ghee has medium-chain fatty acids which are directly absorbed into the liver and burned as energy. So instead of storing as fat, these calories get used up, helping you shed those extra pounds. Next, ghee is a powerhouse of vitamins. It's rich in vitamins A, E, and K. Vitamin A promotes eye health, vitamin E is known for its antioxidant properties, and vitamin K is essential for heart health. But wait, there's more. Ghee is also high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to improve brain and heart health. And did we mention it's lactose-free? That's right. During the clarification process, milk solids are removed, making it a perfect choice for those with lactose intolerance. And finally, ghee is known for its healing properties. It aids in digestion, reduces inflammation, and even helps maintain a healthy, glowing skin. So to quickly recap, swapping your morning tea or coffee with a teaspoon of ghee could aid in weight loss, provide a vitamin boost, improve heart and brain health, and offer healing benefits. It's a simple switch, but one that could have a profound impact on your health. So, why not give it a try? Tomorrow morning, instead of reaching for that usual cup of caffeine, go for the golden goodness of ghee. It might just be the healthiest decision you'll ever make. Until next time, remember, health is wealth. And sometimes the secret to that wealth lies in the simplest of changes.